For lives unseen, look away from reality. Hide behind a mask, look confused when you're asked what you've done to help humanity. It's not you, it's not me, it's all together. Try to change all the harm we've done to ourselves, to the earth, to the voice not yet heard, to the world left behind our own.
That's tomorrow. And that is it for us today. Okay, I don't know. Whatever it is, it's not right on the teleprompter. I don't know what that is. I've never seen that.
No, there it is. We are going to do Sting, yeah.
Okay, but
Okay.
yeah, I can't read it. There's no words on it.
Okay. Ready? Sure.
There's no words there. To play us out. What does that mean? To play us out.
Sting is going to do, it's a video, Sting video. Okay.
What is
for credits?
I don't know what that means, to play us out. What does that mean? To end the show?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, go.
In 5, 4, 3.
That's tomorrow, and that is it.
Okay. In 5, 4, 3.
That's tomorrow, and that is it for us today. And we will leave you with I can't do it.
Okay.
We'll do it live.
Okay. No.
We'll do it live. Fuck it. Do it live. I'll write it, and we'll do it live.
Right.
Fucking thing sucks.
In 5, 4, 3.
That's tomorrow, and that is it for us today. I'm Bill O'Reilly. Thanks again for watching. We'll leave you with Sting and a cut off his new album. Take it away.
Good evening, good morning, good something. Welcome to Prime Media. This morning, we are coding a whiteboard. And we are coding a whiteboard to integrate it into our checklist app. This was not planned, but this is one of those cool things that happens when you're just looking around for something. In this particular case, FreeCodeCamp posted a tutorial on how to code a whitelist today. And I guess I was kind of inspired by it. I recoded it a little bit. And we're going to build this off that. And at a later date, we are going to get this into the main app. So just as a little introduction, remember, we're coding in Python, as we do most of the time here. If you do not have an IDE installed, you can always run code with an online compiler like this one. I am a particular fan of programs. Let me drop that link in the chat right here. And additionally, what the fuck? You can get the code that we are using today at this link right here. So if you feel like following along or whatever, you are more than welcome to do so. But in the meantime, we're going to code this thing, and I am going to walk you through it. Let's get the dev environment going here. Let's open up the amazing dark mode of Notepad++. All right, we're going to be doing this in tkinter, which is a graphics interface for Python. So the first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to write import tinker as tk. And then we need to import tkinter's color chooser. And we need to import ask color because we want to be able to color things. And by importing this package, we can do it with much greater ease. Now we're going to create our first function, and this is going to be start drawing. So we're going to do define start drawing, which is going to be an event. And this is a global thing. I'll explain that in a second. Global, when we're drawing. This is drawing pre x, pre y. And then is drawing equals true. God damn it. Equals true. Then pre x, pre y is equal to event.x and event.y. All right, let's walk through this code a bit. So at the beginning here, we're going to define the beginning of the drawing process. And this is basically an event, and we're setting its parameters. So when we get our graphic user interface a little bit later, this is going to allow us to invoke this, the global is drawing function. And this creates previous x and previous y as global variables. This means that they can be accessed from anywhere in the code at any time. So they're always accessible. Is drawing true sets this variable to true. This means that drawing is in progress. And previous x, previous y, event x, event y is there to capture the coordinates of the mouse cursor when we call the function of start drawing, because basically we're going to be drawing from one place to another with the mouse cursor. Now let's keep going. We're going to define the event of drawing. So draw event. So global is drawing. This is going to be previous x, previous y. Basically, we're starting to draw at one spot. If is drawing, if we're already drawing, current x, current y equals event.x, event.y. Canvas.create line. I'll explain all this in a sec, guys. Create line, which is going to be a function of previous x, previous y, current x, current y, Then we need to do fill equals the color. Drawing color. And then we are going to do, we're going to need to define the width. So that width equals line width and cap style, which we're drawing from TK. Round smooth equals true. If you find this a little bit complicated, again, I'll explain this in a sec. And then prev x, prev y equals current x, current y. And we forgot our indentations. Don't forget, these are pretty critical when you're coding in Python. If you don't use your index, if you don't use your indents, bad shit's gonna happen. All right, so the reason we did this and defined drawing event is basically a drawing is a combination of different points that we fill with colors. So it creates a vector. This means it needs to have a starting point and an end point. So once we created this function, which does that, it just basically creates the beginning point and the end point of the drawing, we need to create a function to stop drawing. And we're also going to do that by defining position. So define stop drawing, which is an event. This is when global, which is the global function we created before, is drawing. And then basically we do is drawing equals false. So when we're not drawing anymore. We're building a bona fide whiteboard, so we want to have color, evidently. So we're going to define a new variable called change pen color. This keyboard. And this is, again, global because it is going to be when we're drawing. So we want the code to be accessible at all times. The color is going to be a function of asColor, and I'll explain that in a sec. So if color, then drawing color will be equal to color. If you're in the chat, we do have a correct function running? Give away some NFTs if y'all are on wax. Just go here, CodeCraft. Exclamation mark yacht in your wax wallet. I will get something for hanging out. So now we also need to adjust the width of a line like we would with any good whiteboard, because we could use different markers, right? So we're going to define change line width value. It's going to be global line width. So line width is always going to be an integer value. So essentially, this was the last function that we needed to create for the program. So what we're going to do next is we're going to build a graphic user interface. This is actually a relatively short build, but this is where we're really going to be using tkinter instead of just Python logic itself. So we're going to define tk as tk. The root title is going to be, I don't know, our whiteboard app. That's just going to show that as the title. We're creating a canvas in the graphic interface. So we're going to do the canvas function, canvas root. We're going to use a white background. Put a black one if you wanted. That'd be cool. Canvas pack. We're going to fill it. And we're going to expand it, or allow expansion, that is. It's true. Now, when we're not drawing, is drawing equal to false? Drawing color is going to be equal to black. Line width is going to be equal to 2. So we're just setting our default setting here for the thing. So the root geometry is going to be the size of the screen and the resolution. So we'll do 800 by 600, like this. And that is most of our app done already. So root DK creates the main application window up here. Then we give it a title. Canvas TK creates the big canvas we're going to have in a minute here. Canvas pack, fill both expand a true, is going to allow us to fill the horizontal and vertical spaces that we've created on the canvas. If drawing is false, basically we're trying to track whether we're drawing or not. So when we start, it's true. When someone stops, it's false. So we're tracking whether the person is actively drawing or not. The default color is black. The default line width is 2. The root geometry is the size of a screen. Pretty much all we need to do now is add some buttons. A nav bar and some buttons, I should say. So we're going to do controls frame equals tk.frame root, and controls frame dot pack side. We're going to put on top. And we're going to fill 2x. This is gonna, now we're gonna import that. We're gonna create 2 buttons. Simple as that. Color button is equal to a tk dot button controls frame text equals change. What is this? This is change color. And the command for this is going to be change color. Open and close that parentheses. Yes. Now we're basically going to recopy the same line of code here. So it's going to be for clear button right here. It's going to be clear our canvas, so it's going to be TK. Then it's going to be labeled as clear canvas. And the command here is going to be a lambda. It's going to be canvas dot delete. That's closed. Do we know how to close here? No, we did not actually. We're special here because we opened this guy. Okay. We are almost done here. So we're going to size our buttons and position them. So color button dot pack side. Let's do left. Pad X is going to be equal to 5. Pad Y equal to 5. And let's copy this line of code. And we're going to change it to clear button. Dot pack side left, pad X, pad Y. So basically that has created our two buttons. So now the last thing we do is a slider. And the slider is because we have the width function for our marker, right? And we want to be able to do it in different widths. Oh, sorry guys. Feeling faint here, a little tired. So let's do, been up for way too long. Line width label is going to be equal to TK dot label controls frame. Text is going to be equal to line width, but not the variable. Text is equal to line width like this. Then we need to just create the button again. So it's going to be line with, where did I write? Oh, I wrote Balel. That's not going to fucking work. Well, actually, it would have. Oh, no, it wouldn't have. What am I telling? I don't want to lie to you. Label is going to be equal pack side equals left. And we're going to do pad x equals 5, pad y equals 5. Now I want some fucking pad tie. And line with slider equals TK dot scale controls frame from underscore -1. Oh no, what am I doing? Equals 1. Oh, 2. It's going to be equals 10. The orientation is going to be horizontal. The command is going to be a lambda value change line width value. Close the parentheses. And what are we missing? We need to set the line width. So line width slider equal dot set function of line width, and then line width slider again dot pack side equals to left x pad y equals 5. And so here, let me just explain what we basically did here, since we did quite a few things. So when we created line width label, TK label, controls frame, text line width, this is basically creating a widget for the label that's going to display line width based on tkinter. Line width label pack side left pad x pad y. This is just placing it. Now side left, basically left side of the controls frame. Pad X is going to be a padding of 5 pixels. Pad Y is 5 pixels on the top. So then we have the line width slider. This is going to create a horizontal slider widget. And also we're positioning it to the left. So basically we just need to connect our features to the GUI. So we're going to bind our canvas basically. So we're going to type canvas.bind, then button -1 start drawing function, canvas, find B1 dark motion. It's going to be draw and canvas bind button rows -1. It's going to be when we stop drawing. And basically that is it. So let's save this. Let's call it Whiteboard. If anyone has any questions, feel free to ask them. No, just save it somewhere else. Okay. So downloads. No, it's a Python file. Whiteboard.py. All right. So let's go open this baby up. If any of you are on wax, get in that gripfish there. Get in there to swim there, win there, as our friend Left House would say. Open it. And downloads. And just training Python. Here we go. Let's run the module. Opened over on the other side. So, what happens? Hello. We can draw. Look, with this button, we can make it wider. Hello, world. If you haven't programmed before, this is the first program most people write. We can change the color. So let's get some pink in here. Whee! La, 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 la. We can clear the canvas. I find the idea of this cool. I'm just really bad with mouse drawing, so I'm not sure like how I'm gonna use it in the app. But I'm thinking of using it for stuff like game loops. Right now, I'm designing the Rogue Cheeser game. So like, basically, the main game loop is kind of like, pretend this is a road. This is a truck with little wheels. Wow, I'm bad at this. Look more like nipples. This is my dog, Rogue. Oh boy. And as the truck is going down the street, it is dropping pieces of cheese like this, but then there are obstacles that Rogue needs to jump over to get at the cheese, right? And as soon as she crashes, well, she doesn't die, but the game is over. So I was planning on perhaps, since I do my dev stuff in this app that we're going to add this to, using this as kind of a thing to do this. So like, arrow going that way, everything's going that way, that falling, and then I could, just write stuff like score equals cheese over distance. But maybe simpler just write this with pen and paper. Although if I want to show someone the main game loop, like this is an endless runner, this might be a little bit simpler. As a function of speed, which is difficulty. So my thoughts on implementing it into the checklist app is to be able to do stuff like that. Not so much to, draw. But like, I don't know, say we wanted to draw, we could, like, I presume, make this truck, oops, I didn't change the color. I still didn't change the color. Now I changed the color. say we really want to emphasize the fact this is blue, I don't know. Or actually, more importantly, say we want to point out that this is actually cheese, perhaps, to differentiate like the cheese from the obstacles, like the cheese falling. That's a reason why we could have it like that, or to show that this is our little doggy here. By the way, she turned 14 today, which is kind of fucking amazing. Yes, the color is gonna fix everything that's wrong with this drawing. But yeah, guys, this is how you make a whiteboard app. God, that does not look like a dog. That looks like a turd. This is how you make a whiteboard. Her eyes are brown. So I need to change the width. The UI on this is decent. For like having put no work into it. Could make it a bit better, but I mean, it'll do for now. But yeah, I mean, I think this is probably like the extent to which I'm going to use it, but it's still kind of a useful tool to have on board in the checklist app as we've been designing it over the last, week now? Or something like that, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so that's cool. I'm going to hang out for a bit and make some NFTs. Again, if you're here from Wax, we do have a grubfish going, but I do need to make some NFTs. So, beyond that, here, I guess I should change the thing here in the stream thing. To crypto. Minting some NFTs. All right, so let's get Discord up here. Go into my Discord. If you're not a member, feel free to join right here. Mm-hmm. All right, so we need to make tomorrow's Macaocracy. So what are we going to do? Let me turn private. Imagine. Let's see what's been in the news other than Israel. Oh, that protest. Israeli military says it will help evacuate babies from Gaza hospital. What? How the fuck? So, who's gonna? Whatever. Iceland. Oh no. Oh, Ghana strikes back. Stream. Pope fires Texan bishop after criticism of reforms. I've never done the Pope. Imagine. Oh, he fired a bishop. Pope Francis firing a bishop. Opposed to the Pope's reform. Francis, a bishop in Texas. The bishop looks like a stereotypical Texan priest guard, Catholic priest guard, cowboy hat, and pistol. Psychedelic vibes. Let's try this. Let's see what it gives us. Come on, give us something good. Oh, man. What the fuck? Is this Texas priest pointing a gun at the Pope? What is going on? This is Donald Trump? This is not exactly what I intended. Okay, this is just fucked up. What? This one's wild. Oh my god, this is fucking wild. I mean, this might be a keeper. I don't know. Just regenerate it a bit without the psychedelic vibes and see what happens. Oh my god, I could call it papal firing. That would be pretty good. Oh, this might be better. If Francis is disarming him? Let's have a look, see here. That don't work. This is just weird. Oh, this is a good one, though. The Pope taking the gun and counseling the priest. Let's maximize 4. Let's do some subtle variations. What's the name of the... Oops. What's the name of the priest collar? What is the technical term for that? Catholic priest collar name. Roman collar. I did not know that. I'm not ashamed to say it. Let's open these again to see which one has the best looking. Oh, that's pretty good. Will Francis have all his arms? That's a better gun. No, that's not good. It's not good either. I am liking 1 here. Let's do 1 upsize. Let's do regional variation. Catholic priest outfit. Hopefully it can do that for us. Oh yeah, looks like we're getting there. Okay, good. We'll just be missing the Roman collar. Oh my god, this one looks creepy. But that would be fine. That hand touch is slightly homoerotic. Oh, this one might be better in the face. What am I saying? Slightly less homoerotic. Okay, what's on his arm? That's just too much. That is too much as well. I think our best option is this one here, so that would be 2. Let's upsize it. Now let's do a regional variation again. I want to have a Roman collar. They're probably going to say it's too small of an area. Yeah. We do that Roman collar. Is that going to fuck it up? And I just want to add a, if we get that, I want to add a holster on the belt. And maybe add Texas in the background if it'll let us. Let's see. Didn't really go to Roman collar, did it? No. Do any of these look better than the others? Or does the other one have a better Roman collar altogether? I think the other one just had a better Roman collar. Alright, we'll go with the other one. Let's try to add that holster, though. Actually, I guess we'll need to upsize on the new ones. 2. Then right here, let's put a holster on belt. Might not get it to this though, because we'll find out shortly. No, none of it is a holster. But it's all pretty much the same. Different degrees of smockness. Let's just go with this one. Alright. Mock Pope. Create an IPFS at Pinata. We also got to create the daily gold foil. Downloads. Filters. Color tint. Gold. Download now. All right, let's upload both of these to here. Create the NFTs at Atomic Hub. So, Prime Rogue Inc. Select category is going to be monococracy. Day 34, 69, monococracy. Number 34, papal disarmament, Texas edition. Oops. Copy that with this. (2023) November 12. Pope Francis the what is he? Pope Francis II? Or is he Pope Francis the First? Oh, I guess he's just Pope Francis. Okay. Oh no, to the Vatican City here. What in the holy fuck? Vatican City, Pope Francis. Now we need a Pope Francis quote. Dumb Pope Francis quote undone. Let's just get Pope Francis quotes writ large. We don't want a religious quote. Indifference is dangerous. That's a good quote. Boom. Let's create it. I should stream tomorrow. Monococracy. Number 34. This is going to be the gold foil. Now we go create the drop. Use nifty blocks for that. Create. Oops, here's the gold foil first. whatever. Doesn't matter. So it's a max of 1. Yo, bloody Zelos. It's not good morning for me. It's like more like I'm about to go to bed and I'm fucking tired. How are you doing, friend? I'm very, very tired. I should have streamed tomorrow. It is 5. Wait, is it only? Oh, it's only 4 a.m. here. Oh, you're playing big time. Nice. How is the big time? I played back in the day. I'm not a fan of the hype. I don't know if it's because I'm contrarian or if like I'm just an asshole or maybe both. It was an okay game. It's just yeah, I know what it is. I've played it. I mean, the earlier ones. You thought so? I mean, like, if a Web 2 AAA studio released that, would you be as impressed? Is the question. That's the thing. It's like, why would I play this on chain when I could play a better game off chain? Was how I felt about it. I might just be a cynical bastard, and I'm fucking tired. I could like fall asleep right now. It is free. That's true. Although it's kind of play to win, though. I mean, pay to win. You can buy the time capsules or whatever they're called. Right? I believe so. We have a critter craft in the background. I was doing some coding before. You want to see what we coded? We coded a whiteboard. Look at this. It's a whiteboard. Hello. We can like change the color. Make a rainbow if we want. Nothing broke today, thankfully. Let's make a rainbow. I don't know how to make a rainbow, but this is a rainbow. This is my idea of a rainbow. Wow, this is a really fucking shitty rainbow, ain't it? No, that's just jizz. Actually, it's a cheese wrapper. It was Rogue, the dog's 14th birthday today, and she's a big fan of cheese slices. So I gave her a bunch. I'm also making a game this week. Well, we're making a game a week. This is Rogue. Basically, the concept of the game is going to be that it's going to be an endless runner, right? Check that. I can draw it here. Align with whatever. All right. You'll see how good I am at art. So this is a road. This is a truck with wheels. And this is Rogue, the dog here. And the truck, as it's going, is dropping pieces of cheese. But the road has obstacles on it. The road needs to jump over or go under, etc. No, it's going to be called Rogue Cheese Dog. Oh, it's an endless runner platformer. Old school to the max. So Rogue is going to go this way. Score will be cheese. This game is just for the lulls and for the practice. The cheese over distance as a ratio, with this being a function of speed. And this will be the basic game loop. I was playing around with ChatGPT. I'm always doing math, bruh. I'm cray. I'm trying to get it right. So like, it's annoying. It gets this really cool truck here. Then it fucks up the dog. Here it gets the dog's face perfect. But the body is like, what the fuck? So I'm trying to get it to do the right thing, because after that, since I can't animate. But like, if you have premium ChatGPT, like, check this out. Here. Oh man, I know. Too much exercise indeed. Like, this is too much exercise. Jerking off is too much exercise. You know. Try ChatGPT. Let's go to our not finance bot, not Gaza War Space, weekly game jam bot. Give me a series of sprites for a dog, an animated dog running. Automated flashlights. My wife is an automated flashlight. Did I really just say that? Oh, did I really just say that? I'm fucking tired, bro. I am fucking tired. Okay, this one, I mean, is not the greatest, but I think it kind of gives you like the idea. Like, this is shit. I want a full range of motion on the run. Make it cool. Make it a cartoony beagle pit bull mix. I mean, theoretically, this could be used. Really, you can't provide the images. That's not fucking helpful. But yeah, basically, I would just make it rotate through these. This would probably be enough to give the appearance of motion. Although, I don't know what's going on with this one here. Try again. You clipped it, didn't you? I'm gonna have to put that up as one of my featured clips. There's no shame, bro. There's no self-censorship here. That's like so 20. Fuck it. It's not sorry for anything. It's an AI model. It's just being polite. My day was a blur. I made a cake for my dog. It was a applesauce peanut butter pumpkin cake with cheese bits on top, and I made cinnamon buns for the missus and I. And then Rogue was like, "Don't take my picture, motherfucker." Oh yes. And she's like, "Don't take my picture, bitch." And then she's like, "Give me my fucking cake now." And I was like, "No, bitch, you gotta wait. You gotta wait, girl." Then I had a social worker friend who wants to make a video, asked me to use ChatGPT to make a mock-up, a storyboard of a video for old people. So here the old people are doing things. This old man has, neither of the old people have faces. Here, this one had a really severe stroke. This one has been beaten bloody in the care home. Here they're all wearing bags. Here is something. Here, more bags over their heads. Another bad stroke. See another stroke victim here. But This guy is, oh, she's bleeding too, for some reason. And then she is smoking a vape because her job is so depressing. Oh my fuck. How was your day? It was also Veterans Day. Yeah, this is a dysfunctional ass care home, dude. I'm gonna go to bed in a minute, so if you wanna, yeah, okay. You can play the grubfish. Suitable for longer games. Ooh, modding here and there, prepping for the after party. What? Oh wait, did I miss the Aftopia after party? Is that tomorrow? Oh no, Nora, you just missed it. I'm right about to go off. What easy let us know. But you're Nemo Wallet 15, so I know your wallet. I'll send you a fucking prize. Oh, it's tomorrow. It's today. At what time? When is the event? You like mystery boxes? Probably like mystery boxes. Fine vintage this one was. 4 p.m. Eastern, so I'll be up. 2 p.m. Mountain? Yeah, I'll definitely be up. I'm gonna come hang. I'll send one over to Nemo Wallet 15 for coming on in here, even though he didn't get to swim here. He tried. He just missed it by a split second. He could not get in the jizz-filled tub. But we'll send him a prize. Why the fuck not? You were more than welcome. Oh, dropping some of my packs. Which one? The Prime Rug Wars thing? Send you some more packs. I have your Wham somewhere here. But I just sent you something, so it'd be simpler if I just took it from there. Oh, you got some of those. Well, let me send you some other packs too. You can have some skyscraper packs. I'm a little bit late on cereal. I'm a little bit late on everything, to be honest with you, but and there are gifts. Oh yeah, lag sucks, bro. Pack. Skyscraper packs. Oh shit, the cereal blend party. Uh-oh. Okay. You can't rush art, bro. Are there any other packs right now that aren't me? You know what I have? Speaking of cereals packs, though, do I have them here? Now I'm all serious. Like, these packs, and you get to keep one, bro. These are the special edition Zodiac Pillar Alpha Set variant pack that I was going to sell for Fux token, and that I just couldn't be fucked to do. So I'm going to send you a few of these. You can keep one. But these are going to be super rare. You can give some of these away if you want. I don't know what's in them. What is in them? I'm going to be making variant packs. Like, I have a website to build for this and stuff. It's taking forever to do shit. Because, like, work. The first series featuring our first only 17 mints, 12 regular, 3 color glitch, 2 cube variants, 1 1-of-1 gold foil. All fucks from the drop will be burned. Well, there were no fucks collected. But what did it look like? What do these NFTs look like? Let's see, just for fun. Oh, and then we're gonna go Rug Pack, Special Mock, Rug Pass, Rugscape, Macocracy, Cereals Pack, Cereals Spec. Okay, so this is a different photo of the Zodiac Killer. There's a regular, there's a color glitch, there's a gold foil, and there's a cube. Huh. Interesting. These were pre-minted, I guess. I think. I have no recollection. I'm having fun. Fuck yeah, I forgot what I put in them. Do you remember what you ate for breakfast yesterday, bro? Do you remember? I think Marklar is on. He's going to be streaming this Sensei. He's going to be streaming Sensei's game. Marklar, are you live? No, but it must be later. I am. In that case, I am just going to say good night. Thank you all. Oh, 50 milligrams? Hello. 50. Okay. 20 kicks my ass. Damn, boy. Yeah, I can imagine. I can imagine so. That's a fucking crazy dosage. You're crazy. I didn't even know they sold 50. The max you can put in a pack here is 25. Or 24. 8 times 3. You're happily numb on a sativa? Okay. I mean, I like being numb. Pop me a Xanax and go to sleep is what I'm going to do. You cut mine down. What I am going to cut is my pillow with my head. But I would like to thank you guys for... What? You're in a legal state, right? I presume? Oh, you're Southern Cali. Right, you told me, and I was telling you about Lindley's boy toy. That's true. I remember now. Yeah, dude. Last week has been a crazy blur for me. Just like this ethereal blur. All right, I'm going to say goodnight. Thank y'all for hanging. You'll get a cinnamon bun and go to sleep. Put the dog out for a piss. Eat a sunflower seed I randomly found on my desk. Thank you. Good night. Thank you for hanging. Cheers.